What is up, everybody? It's Glenn with Sand-Dog Kayak Adventure, and it is party day, baby. We've already got a bunch of people here, guys setting up. We got guys setting up their yaks. Roxanne setting up the just trough of food that she's got. Hundreds of burgers, hundreds of dogs. Check this out. A bunch of the mad anglers are here already.
I'm still not good at it, but I'm like the first time I've got to bring stuff out.
We got Sinless Boy out here, getting ready to do the swag thing. Got some donuts. Ryan made a hand-forged knife. That thing is a beast. We give a military discount to all veterans, 10%, and today in honor of the Mad Anglers, everybody's a veteran, so anybody that books today is going to get 10% off. Then over here is Curtis and the gang. Didn't know there was going to be an actual tackle shop here today, but there is.
What's up, everybody?
We're actually going to be...
come on down.
Yep.
Hello.
Holy moly.
Deals for days.
Pens galore. Did you guys got 50 wides over here?
I got 150 wide.
Holy crap.
Hello?
Don't want to cuss too much on YouTube. Damn. Well, as you can see, it's not just stuff you find every day. It's like a tackle shop. There's a 50 wide over there. There's Avets and Talicas and John, they got a 50 wide over there.
Yeah?
Yeah, a nice one.
We were using live bait. We got small halibut, we got spotted bay bass, and calico.
Nice.
And, we had a lot of breakoffs. It was a lot of fun.
Oh, hell yeah. A little 3 variety day ain't never bad. We're doing it! People are showing up. Sinless Boy's here doing his clothing deal. Curtis is here with his late father's arsenal of fishing gear. Awesome turnout so far for it being 30 minutes in. I think this is going to be a doozy, guys. Stand by!
I can do a back bend.
A back bend? That sounds painful. Let's see it. All right. It's easy, huh?
Not for us.
Oh my word. Yeah, no, that's not for me. That's for you. If I did that, you'd hear, and then I'd be stuck.
Make sure that it's straight. Make sure it's all the way to the back. Pop your thumbnail on it right there, and it pops right there. And then clean it around there so that way it makes your line a little bit easier to slide through.
Frankie Pants!
What's up? What's up, man?
Hello, everybody. Hola, ¿cómo está? Hello, perro. Hello, puppy. Hello. Hello. I think I'm gonna use you for my thumbnail. How you doing, brother? How you doing, brother?
Good turnout.
Yeah, I know, man. You gonna go fishing?
I brought my pole, but my kayak still hasn't come in.
No, you can jump on one. Yeah, that's what they're here for, man. There's a shitload down there right now. Here, let's take a look.
18 years on a...
I was hoping I'd be able to represent the Yak Ninjas today, but I don't have any of my stuff.
Well, they know you're here. Look, you're on video. You got proof. I'm here. Dude, bro, jump on the Outback. That red Outback is free. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
Let me tell you what, all you guys that came out today, thank you so much, man. This was a super successful event. I had so much fun. I met a whole bunch of the subscribers, and we took a bunch of people out on kayaks and fishing, and people were stopping by and gave away so many prizes. Master Baits gave away pack after pack after pack of tubes. Echo Baits just had a giant box full of baits where people could just grab bag stuff. We gave out tickets to the Midway. We gave out this awesome freaking forged knife, custom rod, just so much fun. I'm exhausted. This is what's going on still. We're loading up. I don't think I'm leaving just yet. I need a drink. Still lots of yaks here. Martin, Section 8. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that, the party's over. It is, honestly, I have no idea what time it is. It's after 3. Everybody's getting loaded up. Everybody's got their yaks on board. Seth, you catch anything today?
Not a damn thing.
Not even a buzz.
Not even a buzz.
Sounded like you.
I don't know. No, I did on a hard liquor, but like about the buzz.
I'm just getting ready to take off.
Oh, you getting ready to head out here?
Yeah.
Thanks for coming by, bro.
Yes.
Dude, do it.
Actual like bass.
Thank you to these guys loading the boats and doing all the work.
It's all fun and games
Till the end.
till the end.
Want to play, you gotta pay.
So it's time to clean up.
Yeah. It's always fun getting ready. Sucks when you're done.
You always say when you get off the water. The worst part is putting everything away.
Yeah.